Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about industries. Industries are the part of secondary activity. The manufacturing industries convert raw material into finished products. They are classified into agro-based industries, forest-based industries, mineral-based industries, and forest-based industries. Today, we are going to learn about industries. Industries. Industries is a group of productive enterprises or organizations that produce or supply goods, services, and sources of income. In economics, industries are generally classified as primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary. Secondary industries are further classified as heavy and light. It refers to the activities which convert the raw materials to finished products. The sector is called as the value addition sector. On the basis of source of raw materials, industries are classified into agro-based industries, forest-based industries, and mineral-based industries. Growth in the industrial sector is one of the vital figures that affect the gross domestic products in India. The section provides information about the initiatives taken by the union and the state governments to facilitate the industrial growth in the country. First one is cotton textile industry. Textile is a broad term which includes cotton, jute, wool, silk, and synthetic fiber textiles. This sector in India is the second largest in the world. Traditional sectors like handlooms, handicrafts, and small powerloom units are the biggest source of employment for millions of people in rural and semi-urban areas. Currently, India is the third largest producer of cotton and has the largest loom arc and ring spindles in the world. At present, cotton textile industry is the largest organized modern industry of India. Ginning is the process of separating cotton seed from cotton. The first cotton textile mill was established at Fort Gloucester near Kolkata in 1818. Next one is Manchester of India. The higher concentration of textile mills in and around Mumbai makes it as Manchester of India. Presence of black cotton soil in Maharashtra, humid climate, presence of Mumbai port, availability of hydropower, good market, and well-developed transport facility favor the cotton textile industries in India. Climatic conditions in and around Ahmedabad are ideal growth of spinning of cotton thread because of the presence of large number of textile mills in Ahmedabad. The city has become the preferred choice of companies dealing in cotton textiles. Cotton is imported to Ahmedabad from Kandla port and finished textiles to produce are imported and to many countries of the world. Next one is agro-based industries. The agro-based industries include industries related to textiles, sugar, paper, and vegetable oil. These industries use agriculture products as their raw materials. Textile industry is the largest industry in the organized sector. It comprises of cotton textiles, woolen textiles, silk textiles, synthetic fibers, and jute textile industries. Textiles have been major component of industrial sector. It accounts for nearly fifth of the industrial output and third of the export earnings. These industries draw their raw materials from agriculture sector. The following part discuss the agro-based industries in India. Cotton producing states. The major cotton textile industries are concentrated in the states of Maharashtra, Gujarat, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Coimbatore is most important center in Tamil Nadu with 200 mills out of its 435 and called as Manchester of South India. Erode, Tirupur, Karur, Chennai, Tirunelveli, Madurai, Thuthukudi, Salem and Virudhunagar or the cotton production in India has enjoyed great result every year. There are various states known as for carrying out of the activity, but we shall talk about the top 10 cotton producing states in India in this article. India is one of the leading cotton producer in the global markets. The states are not only leading producer of cotton but various other agriculture products also. Next one is jute textile. Jute is low priced fiber used mainly for making packages material like gunny bags. Today, jute is blended with cotton and wool to produce textiles. This is the second important textile industry in India after cotton textiles. Jute is the golden fiber which meets all the standards of goods packing with natural, renewable, biodegradable and eco-friendly products. The first jute mill in India was established at Risra near Kolkata in 1854 by the Englishman George Auckland. India top in the production of raw jute and jute goods and second in the exports of jute goods next to Bangladesh. Jute production includes gunny bags, canvas, packet sheets, jute web, carpets, cordage, assigns and twins. Now jute is also being used in the plastic furniture and insulation bleached fibers to blend with wool. Jute producing states. The major jute producing areas are in West Bengal and concentrated along the Hooghly River within the radius of 6 kilometers of Calcutta. Titagar, Jagathat, Bajbaj, Hora and Bhadreshwar are the chief centers of jute industry. Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Assam, Chhattisgarh and Odisha are the other jute goods producing areas. India is the largest producer of jute in the world. Approximately 60% of total world produce of jute is cultivated in India with an annual estimated production of 11,494,000 bales of jute. Jute is a biodegradable crop growing mainly in the Ganges Delta. Jute is a crop which requires alluvial soil and heavy rainfall, 20 to 40 degrees Celsius temperature and warm and humid climate during monsoon season is suitable for the growth of jute crop. Next one is silk industry. India has been well known for the production of silk since the ancient times. India is the second largest producer of raw silk, next only to China. Karnataka is the largest producer of silk. Other major producer of silk are West Bengal, Jammu Kashmir, Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Assam and Tamil Nadu. India is the second largest producer of silk in the world after China. About 90% of raw mulberry silk comes from 6 Indian states, namely Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Jammu Kashmir, Tamil Nadu, Bihar, and West Bengal. North Bangalore, the upcoming site of 20 million silk city, Ramanagara and Mysore contribute to a major of silk production in Karnataka. Next one is sugar industry. Sugar can be produced from sugarcane, sugar beets, or any other crop which have sugar content. In India, sugarcane is the main source of sugar. At present, this is the second largest agro-based industry of India after cotton textiles. India is the world second largest producer of sugarcane after Brazil. Sugar industry is decentralized and located near the sugarcane growing areas as they are weight losing and bulky to transport. Sugar producing states. Uttar Pradesh is the largest producer of sugar, producing about 50% of the country's total. Other major producers are Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Bihar, Punjab, Gujarat, Haryana, and Madhya Pradesh states. These states account for more than 90% of sugar mills and sugar production. Thank you, students.